Now we are going to start a new chapter, Standard Costing 2 of Management Accounting 2, BCom semester 6. Standard Costing 2. According to the exam pattern, after studying 4 papers of Gujarat University 2016, 17, 18, 19, I decided that we can try 2 methods. First one is sales variances. It means the variance regarding to the sales and sales margin. Okay. Second one method is overhead variance. Overhead variances included 2 types of variance. First one is fixed overhead variance, and the second one is variable overhead variance. Okay, so as possible as we have to try attempt the sales variance because it is easier than the overhead variances. So first of all, we will write down the formulas: full sales variance and overhead variance, both types of sums. So sales variances includes which variances? So first one is sales volume variance. Sales volume variance. Second one is sales price variance. Third one is sales value variance. Fourth one is sales mix variance. And the fifth one is sales subvariance or sub volume variance. In this sum also RSQ we need, so RSQ can be find out. Okay, now we will write down the formula for each of the variance. Okay, first of all, sales volume variance. So sales volume variance means SP AQ minus SQ. Sales volume variance SP AQ minus SQ. Sales price variance AQ AP minus SP. Sales value variance AQ into AP minus SQ into SP. Sales mix variance SP AQ minus RSQ. Sales subvolume variance SP RSQ minus SQ. And at last RSQ. So RSQ is equal to TAQ into SQ upon TSQ. Okay, so now we will start a sum of cells variance. For that we will take out our book standard costing 2. Standard costing 2 and question number 35. Information is given here of question number 35. From the following information, calculate cells variances. Okay, cells variances are asked, but name is not given, so you at least you have to calculate 5 variances. Product X, Y, Z. Standard, actual. Standards means budgeted. Budgeted means we can anticipated or estimated. Okay, so first of all, SQ, SP, AQ, AP. Product X, Y, Z. Everything is given here. In cells variances, everything is given. Nothing you have to find out. Just you have to put on the formula and calculate the variance. No missing matters are there. So write down SQ 1800, 1000, 1200. Okay. X 1800, 1000 and 1200. Now SP 10, 15 and 12. Then quantity AQ is given 2000, 1100, 1400, 10, 14, 13. Just make total of SQ and AQ. So that is called TSQ and TAQ. Total is given 4000. Here also given 4500. Okay, now put down your book aside and calculate first RSQ. RSQ means TAQ multiply with SQ upon TSQ. For product X, TAQ 4500 into SQ 1800, TSQ 4000. For product Y, same 4500 into 1000 upon 4000. Now Z 4500 TAQ 1200 4000. Just calculate 4500 into 1800 divided by 4000. 2025. 4500 into 1000 divided by 4000. 1125. 4500 into 1200 divided by 4000. 1350 will get. Now put down your formulas. Cells value variance. AQ into AP minus SQ into SP. Everything is given there. Just put down your formula. For X AQ into AP. AQ into AP. 2000 into 10 minus 1800 into 10. 20,000 minus 18,000. You will get there 2,000. Y 1100 into 14 minus 1000 into 15. 15,400 minus 15,000. You will get there 400. Both are in positive, so put on F. Then product Z 1400 into 13. 1200 into 12. 18,200 minus 14,400. 18,200 minus 14,400, you will get 3,800. So the total will be 38 plus 4, 42, 6,200. Favorable. Now, sales price variance. Formula for sales price will be AQ AP minus SP for product X, Y and Z. AQ 2,000, 1,100 and 1,400. AP 10, 14, 13. SP 10, 15, 12. $2,000. 10 minus 10 will be 0, so our variance will be 0. 1,100. 14 minus 15 minus 1, so minus 1,100 will be there. If it is in minus, write down there U unfavorable. 1,400. 13 minus 12, 1. 1,400 favorable. Now total sales price variance 1,100 minus plus 1,400, it means positive 300 will be there, so write down favorable. Now sales volume variance. SP AQ minus SQ. X, Y, Z. SP 10, 15, 12. AQ we can write from the above 2000, 1100, 1400, that is AQ. SQ 1800, 1000, 1200. Just calculate and write down your answers. 10, 200, 2000, that will be favorable because it is positive. 15, 1500, it is also positive, so write down F means favorable. 12, 200, 2400, it is also positive, so write down F. Then make total. 2000, 3500, 35, 39, 13, 5900 will be there, favorable. Cells mix variance. SP AQ minus RSQ. X, Y, Z. SP. So SP is 10, 15, 12. AQ we can use from here 2000, 1100 and 1400. RSQ that we have already calculated here 2025, 1125 and 1350. Now 1350. 10, 2000 minus 2025, so you will get minus 25 and minus 250. 1500, again minus 25, minus 375, unfavorable. 12 plus 50, 600, favorable. Then total 600, 5, 625 is there, so minus 25, that will be 250 minus 25. Now cells sub value variance, sub volume variance. SP RSQ minus SQ. X, Y, Z. SP 10, 15, 12 as it is. RSQ 2025, 1125 and 1350. Minus 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 SQ 1800, 1000, 1200. Bracket close and calculate. 225. 025 minus 1800, you will get 225 into 10, 2250. 15, 125, 6. 1875, 12, 150, 1800. It is also positive month, means favorable variance is there. Total 1875 plus 2250 plus 1800, 5925, that is favorable. It means all the variances we have already calculated here. 5 variances, we have written 5 formulas for that, and that is done. If you have any queries in sales variance, you can comment me and you can ask me.